Hello everyone, this is me Salman-Siddique, and in this video we are going to learn about the frequency tables, grouped frequency table. In the last video we have covered the ungrouped data, and in this video we are going to cover the grouped frequency table. So we have a question. The table show the some information about the times in minutes for 60 people and took to get to the work. So we have time. In the first column we have the time x in minutes. This is the time. For example, 5 of the person take the time between 0 to 10 minutes to reach to the office. 11% took 10 to 30 minutes to reach to the office, and in the same way 23 persons take 30 to 50 minutes to reach to the office. Now the question says that we need to find out the model class, we need to find out the range, we need to find out the mean, and we need to find out the median. The formula, as we learned in the last video, is same. Basically the mean formula is sigma fx over sigma f. This is same for the frequency tables or for group frequency tables, and the median formula is also same, n plus 1 over 2, and the range is x maximum minus x minimum, and the model class is which has the highest frequency. So we will start with the model class. Now you can see that which class has the highest frequency. So highest frequency is 23, and this class has the highest frequency. It means that most of the people took 30 to 50 minutes to reach their office. So this is our model class, or in simple word we can say that this is our mod. So the answer for the first part is 30 less than equal to x less than is equal to 50. Okay, this is your model class. Okay, now the second thing is we need to find out the range. So the range is x maximum and x minimum. So the biggest problem or biggest confusion in this question is that we don't have the x in this table. So first of all we will find the x. So how do we find the x? So x is equal to x is basically the middle value. So you can say that it's a plus b over 2. Okay, so for the first one you can say that it's 0 plus 10 over 2, so it's 5. For the second one it's going to be 10 plus 30 over 2, so 10 plus 30 over 2, 40 over 2, it's 20. So in the same way for this one, this will be 30 plus 50 over 2, so this is going to be 40. And then 50 plus 80, 50 plus 80 over 2, then 80 plus 100 over 2. So 80 plus 100 over 2 is 180, 180 over 2 is 60, and this will be 50, 60, 100, I think it's 90. 100 plus 80 is 180, and 180 is 90, and then 50 plus 80 is 130. Let me check. 50 plus 80 over 2, so it's 65. So this one is 65. So now we have the values of x, right? So now we have the x values. Now we can find out the x maximum is, from this table you can easily figure out that the x maximum is 90 and x minimum is 5. So just replace the value 90 minus 5 over 90 minus 5, so it's 85. So the range is 85. As we learned in the, now we do find the median mean basically. So as we have learned in the last video that we need to construct the new column for the mean. So now we draw the new column that represent the f times x, in which we multiply the f and x, this column and this column. So in the first place we have 5 times 5, so it's 25. Then we have 11 times 20, then we have 23 times 40, then we have 13 times 65. Okay, then we had 8 times 90. So let me calculate. it's 220, then 23 times 40 is 920, and then 13 times 65 is 845, and then 8 times 90 is 720. Now we know that the sigma mean we need to add them. So if we add all these quantities, we will get sigma fx. We need to add all these values. Okay, so if we add them, we will get it. So it's 27, it's 2730, 2730. Now we need to find out the f, sigma f. This is the sigma f column. Frequency represent the f, so we just need to add all these quantities. This will be 60, as they said that we have 60 people. So it's 5 plus 11 plus 23 plus 13 plus 8, so we have 60. So now we have both values, sigma f of x and sigma f. Now just replace them in the value in the formula. 2730 over 60, 2730 over 60, so the mean is 45.5. This is the same thing as we did in the last question. Now we need to find the median. As we have already learned that in order to find the median, first we need to draw the cumulative column, cumulative frequency column. So we will draw one more column, that will be our cumulative frequency, okay. So we know that how to write the cumulative frequency. The first value of the frequency is 5, it will be shifted to this place, so then 5, the next value will be 5 plus 11, we will add the previous values, so this is going to be 5 and 11, we will add them. So 5 plus 11 is 16. Now we add 16 to 23, so 16 plus 23, 16 plus 23, so it's 39. Now we add 39 plus 13, the next value, so it's 52. Now we add 8, so it's 60. Now we have the value of n. This, the last value which we got, is basically the n. N is basically the cumulative frequency. It's same as the sigma f, okay. But we need to, sometime they ask in the question to draw the cumulative frequency column, so we will draw it, because if we have the cumulative frequency column, then it's easy to find the median, because this will be helpful when we have to draw the frequency cumulative frequency curve, right? So now we have n is 60, so 60 plus 1 over 2, so it's 61 over 2. 61 over 2 is 30.5. 30.5 is not your answer. Now we need to look where we have 30.5 in the cumulative frequency column. So this value is 39 and this one is 52, so it means that 30 will be in this range. 30 will be in this range. Now need to look the value of x, for this one, for this range. So the value of x is 40, so that 40 will be your answer. So first we use the draw the cumulative frequency column, then we replace the value into the formula, and then we'll find the one value. Then you need to go to the cumulative frequency column and you need to look where we have the 30.5. then against that 30.5, the whatever the value you have, that is your answer. So as you can see that 30 cannot be in this column, because this is going to the 16 and this is going to the 39 and this one is more than 39, so we cannot have this section. So 30 will be in this section. So against the 30, the value of x is 40, so 40 is your answer. Don't write that this is not your answer, the time in minutes, the range is not your answer. You need to write down the value the middle value of x that we have calculated, that will be your answer. So median is basically uh, 40 40 basic. So we have found out the mean, median, range, and in the next video we will learn how to draw the cumulative frequency curve, or if we have already the if we have the cumulative frequency curve, then how to extract the quartiles, lower quartile, upper quartile, on all of those stuffs. Okay, then see you in the next video.